What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a personal Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11. This feature can be very useful if you want to share your internet connection from your PC to other devices. To get started, search for Settings in your Start menu and hit Enter. Once you're in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Network and Internet. This section contains all network-related settings, including the option to set up a personal hotspot. In the Network and Internet settings, scroll down until you see an option labeled Mobile Hotspot. Click on this to access the settings for creating a Wi-Fi hotspot. Before turning it on, let's adjust a few key settings to make sure it works perfectly for your needs. First, look at the Share my internet connection from section. Here, you can choose the source of your internet connection. If you're connected to the internet through an Ethernet cable, select Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. This is the source that your computer will share with other devices through the hotspot. Next, move down to the Share Over section, where you can choose whether to share the connection via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. For most users, Wi-Fi is the perfect option since it provides a stable connection and is widely compatible with most devices. Bluetooth is an option, but keep in mind it may offer slower speeds and isn't as widely supported for internet sharing. Now, it's important to note that your computer must have a wireless adapter capable of supporting Wi-Fi or Bluetooth sharing. Without this hardware, the hotspot feature will not work, so make sure your PC is equipped with the right adapter before proceeding. After selecting your sharing preferences, you see a section called Properties. Here, you can set up a name and password for your hotspot. The name you choose will be the network name visible to your devices, and the password will protect access to your hotspot. Choose a name that's easy to recognize and a password that's secure but also easy for you to remember. Once you've configured all the settings, turn on the hotspot by toggling the switch at the top of the mobile hotspot page. Your hotspot is now active, and other devices can connect to it using the network name and password you set up. To connect a device such as an iPhone, open the Wi-Fi settings on a device and look for your hotspot's network name. Tap on it to connect, and when prompted, enter the password you set. After entering the password, tap Join to connect to the network. Your device should now be connected to your Windows 11 PC's internet via the hotspot. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.